Boys and girls, welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle. In this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 19th, 2023, already solved two puzzles, the 0-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, so two puzzles are left. Those puzzles are the jigsaw Sudoku and a binary. Yes, it's a binary time, and this one will be number 7126. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Okay. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Then double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here in the second row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. And between two O's comes in 1. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, quick to solve this one. No comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. The jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru. Until then, bye bye for now.